What's up, guys? Adam and Taylor here from the Daydream Adventure channel, and today we're camping in some serious freaking rain.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See, it's raining outside.
We should get dry here soon.
Perfect.
Perfect. So we got some wood over here that our last people used. Here you go. You can take that. Got some wood here. I'm gonna get that all processed up. We got some big old chunks of wood. Got some fire tools with us. And we'll get that all cut up. But first things first, let's get that canopy up. Do what? Canopy up? Okay. Hold yeah, hold. Pull that way. Watch your hands.
Okay.
Ideally is to get one. This is a slant side one. I want to get one that's straight up and down. This one's gone. We're borrowing it for this trip. Alright, Taylor, there you go. You can come under here. There we go. Got that up.
I wish you guys could literally feel how cold it is out here. It's like so cold.
You got it with you?
Yeah.
Oh, no. No, you might want to save all your dry stuff.
Yeah, because it's like it's cold on me.
Yeah.
That little phone out table.
Best thing I've got right here. Awesome.
It's great
Water
for
falling
cooking.
around everywhere.
It's great for cooking.
You're good.
Look at my boots. I'm playing around with the water. Oh, it's getting wetness all over y'all.
We'll clean this thing when we get back home.
It's going on there. It's going across, it's going across. And now it's right here.
Woo. All right.
This is our stove.
Luckily, I don't have one any cotton, so.
Grill.
Huh?
I was asking you if there's a stove with grill.
No, it's the same.
Oh,
Yes. Robot's over there, I guess. Make sure that's cleaned out. That seems legit. Our big can here. I really want to get a 5-pound propane tank for like the overlanders. The only thing about those is you have to take those and get them filled. That's the only thing that sucks about those. Everything's off. Alright, so we'll put you right there. Just like that. Now, since I'm by myself, to get this thing out, I think what I'm going to do is unload it a little, get some stuff out of it, then pull the box out and set it up.
your jacket is literally soaked.
Huh?
I said your jacket is literally soaked.
I'm working out here in the These chairs right here, they're literally like 24 bucks. They're under $30. This one's had some pretty good use on it. I'm probably gonna get her one for herself. They make one that's for kids. That's also the same price. But they're great. They're heavy. I know they're supposed to be for hiking. There's a lot more lighter options out there. But I'm here to tell you, and I'm heavy. I exceed the weight limit on this thing. I think it's 250. I weigh like 270 right now, and I'm working on that too. But I like it pretty good. I'll do a separate review on it later on. But they're great for the kids. They're great for the grown-ups too. John has one as well, but for a quick little fold-out chair, it's hard to beat. There we go, love. You should sit right here. How about this? Right there, just like so. We're going to have to tighten this in just a little bit once I get this box unloaded.
Okay. I'm so hungry.
Honey. There we go. That's good. Make sure you stay off of this thing. It's super slippery.
I know, I know.
Alright, there we go. That's much better.
A little seat.
Bring this in just over there.
That goes on the seat.
Okay, so this side's got patches on it. Because that's not got patches on it. So bring me the sticks that don't have the
metal parts on it?
yeah. Okay. One will go here. This. The other?
Smells good.
Yeah, it smells like linseed oil.
I don't know what that is, but it sure does smell good.
Just like that. Okay. It'll sit in here like so. Now, I'm going to pick it up. Okay, there goes that.
Oh.
There we go. Now, there we go. It's so light and compact. Perfect. Don't forget to put the soap and stuff up there in between the sink and the thing, and I'll grab the water.
Oh, water keeps going on my shirt. Okay. I already put the soap.
Okay.
I'm ready to wash my hands.
You ready to wash your hands?
Yeah.
All right.
Cool. Cool.
Hold on. Tighten her up good. There we go. All right, nope, we gotta do this. Ready? There you go.
Oh, it's nice and warm. I'm just kidding. It's like, it's coldish warm.
Got it? There you go. All right. Okay. All right, guys. I think we're gonna fold it up. It is pouring down rain. We're soaking wet. I left my dry clothes at home. She's got a change of clothes, but this rain was supposed to move out this evening. She's shaking. I've got a buddy here sitting down here on the ground. Actually, it's pretty warm. I can feel the heat rolling off of it.
I know.
But again, I'm gonna throw the towel in. I've got my daughter here with me. If I was by myself, I'd just stay. But you know, again, I have to keep her in mind. We're gonna pack it up. I know this video wasn't very long, but you know, the only thing I got left is to fold the canopy up, put the canopy in the sleeve, and put the hitch carrier back on, and we can go. It's just a constant downpour, and we're just stuck up under this 10 by 10 tent that's not even a full 10 by 10. So really, it's more like an 8 by 8 at the top. So we're kind of stuck and confined in this one spot. All of our stuff's getting drenched and soaked. It's just not pleasant for her, because I want her to continue to come out here with me, so I don't want it to be miserable on her. So we're going to get everything packed up. Actually, we almost got everything packed up. I just got to put the hitch carrier on and put everything on there. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. Again, just comment, rate, and subscribe. Well, there's plenty more adventures in the near future. I will throw some more videos out like this, but I'm just not going to have her with me, just because, you know, I want her to have fun so she can go out and mess around and stuff and not be stuck up under an 8x8 tent canopy or stuck in a tent because it's pouring down rain. So anyways, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, find your next adventure.